Hi everyone, it's Melissa from The Creative Potential, and today I'm going to be talking about meta descriptions. Now, it's a little blurb of text when you type something into Google and the search engine results page comes up with a search query for you. It's that title tag, that tag or title that gets your attention so you can click on it, and there's some text right underneath it, and that's called a meta description. It's really important to update these meta descriptions in your website. Google will automatically take some of this text and create a meta description for you. So if it doesn't pertain to what you want people to be clicking on, you want to make sure that you update your title tags and your meta descriptions. And I'm going to show you an example. Come join me. White towels that I'll love. And here's a great call to action title tag you see right here in the search engine results page. White towels you'll love, and it's Wayfair. It gets my attention right away because it's white towels that I'll love. That's what I just put into the search query, and here it is. Underneath it is the meta description for either that product page, that home page, whatever page you want to have a meta description on. And it's very important to have a meta description for all your pages because it tells Google what this page is all about. Like I mentioned earlier, Google will automatically create a meta description for you, especially if it's revealing it in a search engine result page. But you want to make sure it makes sense and it's going to cause that person to click on that title and grab their attention. And Wayfair has done a great job. They have a call to action right in the first sentence. Shop Wayfair for all the best white bath towels. Enjoy free shipping on most stuff, even big stuff. Very, very concise, short and sweet. Meta description should be around 155 characters at most. It's kind of changed. Last year, it might have been 365 characters or 360. Now it's at 155 characters. So you want to really optimize these meta descriptions. If you have a WordPress site and you're using Yoast plugin, that is a great tool to use. You can change what is called the SEO title. That's this title here to be more call to action, to contain your keywords. You can also do this in Shopify and Squarespace, but you want to make sure you take a look at your analytics and see where the traffic is coming on what page, what percentage of your pages are getting the most traffic, and try to optimize the meta descriptions there. Here's some examples here. Black and white bath towels that you love. Again, it's Wayfair. The best bath towel reviews by Wirecutter. Again, grabbing my attention. The perfect towel comes only in white. Interesting. So I'm going to click on this because I kind of want to learn more here. And how to find the perfect towel, stick to white. Here's a guide to buying towels you love that will last. Here it went over the character limit, but that's okay. At least it makes sense. If you're going to go over the character limit, just make sure that the description makes sense. And I hope this helps you with the meta descriptions. Again, try to optimize your meta descriptions and your titles for all of your pages, but if you don't have time to do so, go into your analytics and check which pages have the most traffic and optimize